You use it, but do you know how it works? We're the gear guys, and we believe most amazing engineering is found right in your pocket or on your kitchen counter. From the perfect seal of a screw cap to the silent power of a magnet, let's break it down.
Water alone can't touch this oily mess. That's because oil and water repel each other. Enter soap. Each soap molecule has a split personality, a water-loving head and an oil-loving tail. The tails dive into grease, the heads stay in water.
Begin with oils, rich in fat. Combine them with a strong base like sodium hydroxide. When the base dissolves, it becomes lye. Blend lye into the warm oils and science takes over. This is saponification.
When you lather up, you're not just making bubbles. You're unleashing millions of soap molecules. Each one has a water-loving head and an oil-seeking tail. The tails dive into grease and dirt, while the heads stay out in the water. Together, they wrap the grime in a tiny sphere called a micelle.
Oh, let me in!
Hard pass. But that slick oil over there, that's my seam.
Wait, idea! We grab the oil together, I face the water, you hug the grease.
I'm listening.
Teamwork?
Works every time.